What if I told you that you can actually fund your Alipay account with Naira? And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on Alipay or on WeChat wallet, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to fund your WeChat wallet, or you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on any of e-commerce or Chinese shopping app, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to fund your Alipay account without any stress. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to fund your Alipay balance here with Naira. Let me show you how. Just like what you see right here, my current balance here is 90.48 yen. Then let's see how we can simply fund this account with just Naira. So I'm going to exit from my Alipay right here. Then I will head over to my Naira account right here. I'm going to use my UBA mobile app right here. Then I'm going to click on login. So I will simply log into my UBA mobile app. Then I'll click on login right here. Having logged into my UBA mobile app, next thing I'm going to do is to click on send money right here. Then I will make sure I go to other banks. Then right here, I make sure I click on here to select the bank. I'm going to choose this bank right here. Then I'll click here and I'll paste my account number right here. I'll click on confirm receiver. Then I'm going to enter the amount right here. I need 90,000 Naira worth of RMB. Then I'll come to narration right here. I will put in my name right here. So I need 90,000 worth of RMB. Then I'll make sure I click on transfer right here. Then I'll make sure I click on pin. Then I make sure I click on pin right here. Then enter my pin. I click on OK. Then I click on OK. So payment done. Right here, payment has been done successful. Then I'll head over to the app that I'm going to use to fund my Alipay with Naira. So I'm going to exit from my mobile bank app right here. And I have to refresh my app for Naira to Alipay. Now I have my money right here in the app. Next thing I'm going to do is to exchange this Naira with Yuan straight into my Alipay. How do we do that? What we want to do is to click on send right here. Having clicked on send, click on here to choose the fund you want. So in this tutorial, I'm choosing Alipay. The next thing you need to do is to click on account type. Here, choose personal. If you are sending the money to your Alipay account, then enter your Alipay account number. Next, scroll down right here and make sure you upload your Alipay QR code payment. So click on here, then go to your phone album, then make sure you select your Alipay QR code. So I'm going to select my QR code here and click on done. Here we go. Everything has been set. Your QR code here is going to be uploaded just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and click on continue. Then it's going to take you right here. Here, you need to select the payment options. Then I'm paying with my Naira wallet, just like what you see right here. Then I'm going to enter the amount I want right here. So right here, I need 402. And I'm paying this Naira to get 402 yuan. Next thing I need to do is to click on continue. Then right here, I'm paying 90,000 plus to get 402 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply scroll down right here and click on pay now. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on pay now. Then enter my payment password. Then click on proceed. You successfully created a RMB transaction, and I'm getting this value of RMB at the amount of this in Naira. Next thing I need to do is to click on done right here. By the time I refresh my Naira balance wallet right here, the amount is going to be disappear, just like what you see right here. Then come down below right here and see your RMB pending right here. So in few minutes, the amount, so it's as simple as that. So you can see you have successfully created RMB of this particular amount. So we have to simply wait for some minutes in order to receive this fund in our Alipay account. So the next video is going to show you how we track this RMB into our Alipay account. So take a look at it now from pending to completed. Now I placed the order at exactly 6 p.m. .5 and I got the Alipay funded within 1 hour plus. As you can see now, the current time here is 7:12 and I placed the order 6:05. Now let's go to my Alipay and see if this amount has been successfully credited into my Alipay account. So I'm going to exit from the app right here. Then I will click on my Alipay right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on account right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on balance right here. Now you can see now that an amount of 402 has been credited into my Alipay account. And from the beginning of this video, you notice that this is not the balance I have. Now, if you add this to my balance, you're going to get this. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to fund your Alipay account with Naira, step-by-step guide. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use your Alipay or how you can fund your Alipay, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier in Alipay or WeChat Pay, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.